continue with the review. Now, what are the three states of matter? Charlene. Sorry? That's right. But that's not enough. You have to tell me the properties of each form of matter. Okay? Now, on page 18 and 19, you're going to have to be able to replicate what they have there. To describe to me, what's the difference between these? Now, as a helpful tip, remember, study those 2 pages because those pages will be important, especially the table. Okay? On the study guide I just gave you, as Ryan mentioned, this is part of the table. If you know that table very well, that will help your score considerably. Okay? Now, for example, which form of matter has the ability to flow?
Gas and liquid.
Gas and liquid, very good. Anita, can solid flow?
No.
Why not?
It has a definite shape.
Ooh, well done. Because it has a definite shape. Very good. Let's go with Shammy. Do liquids have a definite shape? No, they don't. Do liquids take the form of the container they're in? Yes, they do. Yeah, they do. For some ones, right? They might not fill it. But gas will. You put gas in any container, no matter the volume, it will fill it. Because the particles are, well, spread out. They're spread out, as you see on page 18. Now, the next thing you're going to have to do is a combination of English and science. We talked about using the word however. Well, actually, and to be honest, that's right. In fact, but for this section, you will have to use however, because you're going to make comparisons between these 3 different forms of matter. For example, if you use the study guide I gave you there, can you make a comparison of the 3 forms using the word however? Jasper. Beautiful. So easy, isn't it? Liquid and gas can flow. However, solids can't. Super easy. Morse. Beautiful. So this is so easy. But this part, I will mark the grammar. This part, I will mark the grammar.
But it's science.
I know it's science, but I want to make sure you use the word however correctly. I want it to be with a period and a comma. I still don't care about this. Okay, the spelling's not. I don't care about the spelling. Oh yeah, of course if you are set. The opposite order? So you spelled the word backwards?
Yeah, like however you spell it R-E-V-W-O-A.
Okay, yeah, if you spell however wrong, you're wrong. Because the question says use however.
Oh, but how if you
Chloe, are you using your iPad in class?
H-O-W-E-V-E-R-R.
Good. Now, if you've prepared those two, that's a good portion of the test. Now let's continue. Number 6.